Are you looking for the best keyboards for programming? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best keyboards on the market before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Keychron Q5 Max. The best keyboard for programming we've tested is the Keychron Q5 Max, a compact, 96% model in Keychron's wider Q Max lineup. Note that this keyboard isn't typically available from major online retailers but is reliably in stock directly from Keychron's website. This wireless keyboard has outstanding build quality and looks, feels, and sounds great right out of the box. Part of what makes typing on this keyboard feel so different is its double gasket-mounted design, which has a softer sounding, almost springy feeling typing experience compared to most pre-built mechanical keyboards. Another major selling point of this keyboard is its freedom in terms of hardware customizability. It has a hot swappable PCB, so you can easily change out the stock switches for your chosen switches. Other components like the stabilizers and keycaps are also easily replaceable, and there's even an included toolkit to help you disassemble your keyboard. While we recommend the Q5 Max specifically for most programmers, the entire Keychron Q Max series is worth checking out, as there are various sizes and layouts. If you don't rely on F-row keys for your workflow, you may appreciate the more compact, 75% Keychron Q1 Max. Or, if you prefer a more conventional full-size layout, you'll want to check out the Keychron Q6 Max. Either way, each model in this series offers the same outstanding typing quality, wireless connectivity, and hardware customization. Each variant is also fully compatible with VIA customization software in QMK, meaning you can make software and firmware level adjustments to complement your workflow. At number 2. NuPhy Air75 V2. The NuPhy Air75 V2 is one of the best mechanical keyboards for programming at a mid-range price point. Note that this keyboard isn't always in stock from online retailers, but you can also find it on NuPhy's website. It offers an incredible typing experience without any modifications and excellent build quality. It's wrapped in a much more lightweight, portable, and versatile unit than the Keychron Q5 Max above. It also supports VIA software, allowing you to customize backlighting, key assignments, custom layers, macros, and more. You can access this software using any Chromium-based web browser. Thanks to the low-profile mechanical switches and chiclet-style keycaps, you can rest your wrists comfortably on the surface you're working on and reach the keys without straining upwards, which can make a big difference over long stretches. The keycaps are made of durable PBT with a slightly rough texture that feels great on your fingertips. Additionally, you won't have to worry about charging it too frequently, as it has an impressive battery life with the RGB backlighting turned off. As a final note, this keyboard is also available in 2 other size variants, a more compact, 60% NuPhy Air60 V2 and a larger NuPhy Air96 V2. At number 3. Keychron V5 Max. For a less expensive option, you'll have difficulty finding a keyboard that offers everything the Keychron V5 Max does. It's essentially a budget version of our top pick, the Keychron Q5 Max. This keyboard can also be difficult to find in stock from major retailers, but you can find it directly from Keychron. While it doesn't feature the solid aluminum frame found on Keychron's Q Max series boards, it has a surprisingly sturdy plastic frame. It also boasts PBT keycaps, screw-in stabilizers, and layers of sound dampening foam inside the board to help reduce the ping and rattle while you type. Like the Q5 Max, everything, from the internal hardware components to the firmware, is customizable, making this a great budget-friendly base to start with if you're interested in a fully bespoke unit for programming. The V5 Max and other size variants in Keychron's wider V Max series are also easy to deconstruct thanks to the included toolkit, and it only takes about an hour to change out the stock components. If wireless connectivity isn't your priority, we recommend checking out the original Keychron V series keyboards. These wired-only models are typically available for cheaper and also come in a variety of sizes and layouts to best suit your needs and setup. At number 4. Royal KLUDGE RK61. We recommend the Royal KLUDGE RK61 if you need a cheap, dependable coding keyboard. Despite its low price, it's also wireless and small enough to carry around. However, this compact unit lacks a dedicated function row and arrow keys, which can be a deal breaker if your workflow relies on these keys and you're not a fan of using shortcut combinations to access these commands. This compact model also has a hot swappable PCB, so you can easily replace the stock switches with the ones you prefer. It's an extremely versatile unit that lets you connect with up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. There's also a variant with a wireless USB receiver that can be a lifesaver if you use it in a noisier Bluetooth environment, like an open office. The RK61's battery life is on the lower side and maxes out at around 10 hours when used wirelessly. Fortunately, it also includes a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and you can use the keyboard normally while it charges. A few different variants of this keyboard are available. Some, like the unit we tested, only have Bluetooth connectivity and single-color backlighting, while other variants include a USB receiver and RGB backlighting. At number 5. Logitech MX Keys S. The best non-mechanical option for coding we've tested is the Logitech MX Keys S. We recommend this keyboard if you need a quieter model for working in a noise-sensitive setting or prefer a tactile typing experience similar to typing on a laptop. Its keycaps have small dish-shaped indents that keep your fingers centered, which can help you minimize typos from glancing blows on neighboring keys. Like other picks on this list, it provides excellent wireless versatility. You can connect it using its included USB receiver or pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth. It also has white backlighting and keycaps with shine-through legends for great visibility in darker rooms. You can also set the lighting to automatically increase or decrease in brightness depending on the lighting conditions around you. Unlike our picks above, the MX Keys S doesn't offer hardware customizability. Also, while it has a very thin, low-profile design that makes it comfortable to type on without a wrist rest, it's still quite large and isn't designed to be slipped into a bag or used on the go. If portability is paramount for your workflow, we suggest looking at the smaller version of this keyboard, the Logitech MX Keys Mini, which has a much more compact, 75% layout.